Replacing the spreader tank with the sprayer tank. Start by cutting the zip ties that secure the front wiring harness of the drone. Unscrew the 2 adapter plugs on the spreader. Remove the spreader first. Then take out the spreader. Next, remove the spreading tank. Install the spraying tank. Ensure the adapter plug faces the drone. Connect the spraying tank. Connect the air pipe and water tank to the drone. Connect the shorter end. Connect the longer end to the water pump adapter on the drone. Tighten the water pump head. Organize and secure the wiring harness. Insert the centrifugal spray nozzle plug. Insert the centrifugal spray nozzle plug on the other end as well. The replacement of the spreading tank with the spraying tank is complete.